Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put your notification bell so that anytime I post content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Um, Alright, this is just the result for today on Euro JPY, and then this result was I was able to get this result, or I was able to make this earning based on the millionaire strategy I do talk about. So probably if you're interested in making reasonable money in forex trading or synthetic markets using a better strategy and understanding how price works, that means how to interpret the movement of price on the chart, then check the description below. You see my WhatsApp number there. I have a mentorship class where I teach people how to understand this forex market the right way, trading it like a pro. But if you join newly, I'm going to provide you with some softwares which is going to help the teaching. I'm going to be giving you on how to read chart easily, very fast. So, and I'll also add you to the WhatsApp community where we analyze charts and probably interpret movements of price from a particular point in time so that you can know when to take your entry and then probably when to exit the market. Believe me, your indicators, your mobile phones are not enough for you to make consistent money. So please, this strategy based on mobile indicator is only for scalping. It doesn't guarantee you making consistent profit. But that being said, let's get into today's strategy. Watch this video till the end and make sure you drop your opinion in the comment section. Now today, this strategy is based on volume, trend and volume mainly. So we want to identify our trend on the H1, then we'll take our entry on the 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame uh, it if the conditions are okay. So let's say for instance this is Euro JPY. The main indicator in the main chart, the indicator in the main chart is what we are going to be using to consider when to take entry. Now, for instance, if it is going to be a sell, here are the conditions. The first condition is we want to see price closing below this um, indicator in the main chart, right? Immediately price close below that. Other confirmation is we want to check the volume of the trend. If the volume close below level 75, and then we start having our CCI below the plus 100 and plus 50, then we have the negative ADX above the level 25, then it's a confirmation. But since it's the H1, we don't look for the CCI and the ADX. What we are only concerned with is the main trend, which is the one in the main chart. Once price close below it, and then we'll check the position of our volume indicator. So if the volume indicator is also around the level 75, then you switch down to your 15-minute time frame. Exactly, you switch down to your 15-minute time frame for entry. This strategy can be used both on forex and on synthetic indices. So when you start having the same formation we had in the H1, probably price close immediately on your 15-minute time frame, price close below your sorry price close below your trend line in your main chart, and price is below your level 75, which is here. So we now this is where we start considering the ADX and the CCI. Exactly. So if the CCI is also pointing downward and the negative ADX crosses above the positive ADX upward, so this is where you quickly take your sell entry. Now your stop loss will be at the swing high. Exactly. Your stop loss will be at the swing high. That is in the case of sell. Why? If it is in the case of buy, just like when we have this buy opportunity, let's assume we've checked the higher time frame. price is giving us a buy move already. Then we notice that here in the 15 minutes, our OBV volume indicator has crossed above level 25, and our CCI is also facing up. Then we have our ADX positive above. This is where you take your buy. When you take your buy, immediately price close above, your stop loss will be at the swing low here. Exactly. That is where your stop loss is going to be, at the swing low there. Then you hold and target for the high, the current high. Exactly. You target for the current high and exit immediately price get to that zone. That is if you have a buy condition from your higher time frame. This is how you're going to do it on your lower time frame. Exactly, guys. So if at all is the other way around, that is if you sell, then you also apply the same pattern. Now let's go back to the H1 and let's look for an instances where price crossed above uh, our line. So let's mark it out just like what we have here. Sorry. What we had here. Immediately price closes above our line. Now let's go to 15 minutes and trace that. um this is it. You can see immediately price cross above. Now the confirmation is, you already notice that price has crossed on your 15-minute time frame. Price is already above your level 25, right? Prices are above your level 25. Why at that moment your CCI is facing upward and your ADX positive is above level 25. So this is where you open your buy. Your stop loss will be at this swing low. That is where you're going to put your stop loss. Then you open a position for buy and hold it. Your first exit should be around this high. Is that clear? That is where you are going to exit because you are scalping. Your first exit should be around that high, or probably you can use um, break even to hold the trade continuously. Exactly, guys. So this is how you use this strategy to scalp the market. Exactly. This is how you use the strategy to scalp the market. It can be used on any pair, be it forex or synthetic indices. Exactly. You can use it on any pair, be it on forex or synthetic indices. Now you can see that on your H1 price is still selling. Exactly. So you can only leverage on this when you come to a 15 minute and look for a sell opportunity. So for now, we can't get sell opportunity because where areas where we are expecting our price to be, they are not there. This is below. Price can buy at any moment. Price can buy at any moment, and price can close above this level at any moment. So as it is now, it's usually better to start or trade when the trend is just starting. Exactly. It is usually safe to trade when the trend is just starting. So you can also decide to use the H4 time frame for this same analysis. Just the same way we use the H1 stroke 15 minutes. Then if you're using your H4, your entry should be around, can use your 30 minutes for entry. Is that clear, guys? So this is the strategy I'll bring to you today. Now let me show you the settings before uh, we call it a day. So you click on this icon. When you click on that icon, it's going to take you to your indicator window home. Now the Ichimoku, we don't need the Tekun-sen, it's only the Kojun-sen 25. Then every other one under the style will still be white, or your background color. If you're using black, let it be black. Only your Kojun-sen will be 4 pixel and any color of your choice. Then your ADX period should be 15, but we are using level 25. Is that clear? Period 15, level 25. We are only focusing on that level. Then CCI should be 50. Is that clear? Your period should be 25. It is 25 all through, not 50. 25. Then you click on save. Your balance is on tick. Leave it that way. Then you add a RSI. Exactly. So your RSI is period one. We only need the level 25 and 75. Then make sure the style is on your background color. Exactly. So your window 3 will consist of your volume indicator, unbalanced volume indicator, and your relative strength index. So they are the one that's going to be in the same window. Just because of that level, we are going to be using on the RSI. So the CCI, ADX, and the Chimoku will be in a separate window. So once you are done, this is how everything is going to look like. Exactly. Don't forget that if you are going to be using 15 minutes as your entry, your confirmation should be from the H1. Exactly. Your confirmation should be from the H1. Now you can also see that when we have a break, a sell opportunity here, look, when price broke below the trend, right? Everything was like this. So let's trace it back to 15 minutes. Again, you will have seen that price wouldn't even get to your stop loss and price will always go towards your favor. Now you can see immediately you have these settings like this, price close. So you must have taken maybe your entry around somewhere here. Your stop loss will be at the swing high. The swing high, which is either at the top here, then you open sell. So if you had open sell, because every other factors were giving us a sell vibe at the moment, or you wait for confirmation from this end to get sell entry, sell opportunity before you take your entry. Exactly. So you just know that from your higher time frame, price is bearish. You only enter when your sell is triggered. Exactly. When your sell is triggered. So that is when you will just take your entry immediately from this point here. Because from your H1 price has closed. So what you just see, this pullback you saw here, this move towards the upside you saw here was the pullback for price to retest the breakout the breakout on your H1. Immediately the pullout expires, price started dropping. Price couldn't even go up above that level till it dropped to the downside. So is that clear, guys? This is how you use this strategy to make money on either the synthetic indices or on the currency pair. Make sure you practice this before you go live with it. It is a 4 confirmation entry strategy. 4 confirmation from the trend down to the volume. So make sure you practice it. And if you have any other opinion regarding the strategy, let me know in the comment section. But this is still not enough to make you profitable. So if you want to be making consistent money on the forex market, then don't hesitate to join the mentorship class using the WhatsApp number in the description below. You can chat me up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys. But please don't forget to subscribe. It is very important so that we can grow this community to a better number.